Hello guys, I hope you are having a great day and welcome back to my channel. This is your host Riya. Today, we're going to learn about something super cool, our internal organs. These are the organs inside our body. We can't see them from the outside, but they are always working to keep us healthy and strong. Oh, and if you haven't watched my video about our external organs yet, the ones we can see, also known as sense organs, make sure you check that out too from the description below. But for now, let's explore the amazing organs hiding inside us. Our first internal organ is the heart. Try putting your hands on the left side of your chest. Do you feel the thump? That's your heart working. The heart pumps blood all around your body to your hands, feet, tummy, brain, everywhere. Blood carries oxygen and energy so we can play, walk, jump, and even sleep. Did you know that our heart works every minute, even when we're resting? It never takes a break. Next is the brain. The brain lives inside our head, safe under our heart skull like a helmet. The brain is the boss of the whole body. It tells us what to do, when to laugh, when to blink, when to move, and even when to dream at night. It helps us think, learn, remember things, and solve puzzles. Our brain is super smart. Now let's meet the lungs. We have 2 lungs inside our chest. Take a big breath in and out. Your lungs help you breathe. They take in fresh air with oxygen and send it into your blood. Then you breathe out the air your body doesn't need. We use our lungs all the time when we talk, sing, laugh, or even sit quietly. Next is the stomach. It sits in your tummy and helps with food. The stomach is inside our tummy. When we eat, the food goes into the stomach. The stomach is like a soft bag that keeps the food safe. The stomach then mixes and breaks the food into soft pieces so the body can use it. Now say hello to the kidneys. We have 2 of them, and they look like little beans. Kidneys clean our blood and remove the waste our body doesn't need anymore. They also help keep the right amount of water in our body. They work quietly every day to keep us healthy. Here is the liver. It's one of the biggest organs inside the body. The liver does lots of important jobs. It helps clean the blood, helps digest food, and even gives us energy when we need it. It's like a super helper organ that works day and night. Inside our tummy, we have intestines which are long, twisty, and looks like curly tubes. We have 2 intestines, the small intestine and the large intestine. They take all the good things from our food and send them to help our body grow and stay strong. They are very long but fit inside us perfectly. Today, we learned about our internal organs, the organs inside our body. The heart pumps blood. The brain is the boss who controls our body. The lungs help us breathe. The stomach digests food. The kidneys clean our blood. The liver helps with digestion and energy. The intestines take nutrients from food. They all work together like a super team. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and do share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of my videos. The more likes and subscription you get for my videos, the more motivation you give me to make more such wonderful videos. Hope you all enjoyed it. We will see you all on my next video then. I wish you all happy learning. Bye bye.